Hi. So, do you reckon you can work out the area and the perimeter of this composite shape? So, have a bit of a go. Feel free to type in your answers in the chat box. Remember, in the comment section, and remember to leave your answer as a exact value. So, in terms of pi, um, and we'll go through it in a second. Okay, so hopefully you had a bit of a go. Some formulas that you need to know in order to do this is the circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r. The area of a circle is given by pi r squared. Okay, so let's do this together. So all we're told is that this distance, which is the same as this distance, which is the same as this distance, which is the same as this distance, is x. So this distance, which is the radius of a circle, is given by half of that. So let's type that in, let's write that in. So the radius is just x on 2, because the diameter is x, so the radius has to be x on 2. So let's work out the the perimeter first. So we've got half a circle, and then we've got another half a circle, which makes a whole circle. And then we've got another half a circle and another half a circle, which makes another whole. So in total, we've got 2 circles. So the circumference is just given by 2 pi r, and the fact that we've got, that's 1 circle, 2 circles, we're just going to multiply it by 2. So my perimeter would just be 2 multiplied by this formula, and the radius, remember, is x on 2. So let us work this out. So basically that 2 and that 2 can cancel, so it's just 2 pi x as your perimeter. Nice and easy for that one. So well done if you got that correct, or you're able to follow that through. What about the area? Again, it is quite easy in this one. So we've got 2 circles. So the area of a circle is given by pi r squared. And because we've got 2 of them, we're just going to multiply it by 2. You also have to include this area in the middle, which is a square, and that's just given by length squared, whereas in this case, the length is just x, so it'll be given by x squared. So let's plug in what we know. So this just simplifies to 2 pi, and r is x on 2, remember? It's the radius is just x on 2, so we can just write x on 2 squared plus x squared. Okay, let's work out what this is. So x on 2 squared, you're basically doing that by that in the c and that by that in the c. So we still have 2 pi over here, and then we would have x squared, because x times x is x squared. On the bottom you have 2 squared, which is 4. And hopefully you can see that that 2 and that 4 simplify, because 2 goes into both of them. So my area is just left with pi x squared on 2 plus x squared. And one final step, you know, we could factorize. We could actually take out x squared in this case. So we're left with pi on 2 plus 1 in the brackets and x squared outside the bracket. So that one, hopefully you understood. It wasn't that challenging, or you're able to, well done if you got it right, but good work if you're just able to follow that through, and you understand how to do that. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you found that helpful in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time where we'll do more maths. And I just want to thank you for watching this video and learning some mathematics, which is always fun and it's always good for you. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.